clock.
Bad me up then. Bad me up.
No, me a walk. Are you for bad me up? Me a walk. Ready. Ready.
Alright, see me now. See me now. What you say now? You're up on social media. What you say now?
Girl, I embarrass you. What embarrass me?
No, but your mouth, you talk about a lot of things. And I talk about this and that and one heap of things you talk. So social media. See me now in a real life.
Me?
You see a man.
Huh? She said, sure we are bed. She said, if you're sure we are bed. Somebody please to reply in the comments. Didn't I just go in my bed a while ago? I was just in my bed laying down, you know. Yes. I was just in my bed laying down, you know. I got whites in here. I like white. I'm always in my bed. I'm always in my bed. Yes. I'm always in my bed. My big California farm, I can't. What kind of clothes you have, miss? What kind of clothes do you have from you, you know? Me know what kind of clothes we supposed to want for you. Me not normally type, but when she say nah no bed, it burn me. Let me see if I can go lay down on my bed. Wait. Oi. Why me I tell you rough. Lord Jesus. Bumbo clot. I saw somebody lay down on bed. Bumbo. Listen to me now. Listen to blood clot me. Listen now. Me no know how do my little way fatty though. Because me not tell no lie. This ain't comfortable the blood. Wait there. Jesus Christ, me roll around this. Bumbuk. No, sir. No, man. Oh, Jesus Christ. Lord of Jesus. Baby, I try a little night bed with them and fatty master. Me I tell you, it rough.
Which one in bed?
What?
How you say your chair is in bed?
Why? It rough bad.
So much bed. Your chair is in bed?
Why? Feel lay down with fat boy.
I want to fight.
Oi. Man, stop breathe. Me I tell you, girl. Me not stop, you know. Lock up, baby. What me window there, so. What me the balcony there, so. And make it curtain draw. So me can get like a fresh air. Cause me not tell no lie. Fat make you hot. Fat make you hot, man. Well, let me see me can lay down on my floor. Wait. Boy. Jesus Christ. Boy. Come here, Rosalee. Rosalee, I be a white me having here, you know. Bumbleclad. I be a white me having here, you know, Rosalee. Where the bumbleclad, you mean? I saw you roll pan them fat yourself. Bumbleclad. Hey, baby, it feel good, you know? It feel good. Bumbleclad.
It's title. Oi!
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 Oi! It feel good for weather.
Oi!
Oi! Oi!
Look what she does, please. No, I forgot.
How about this? Ah, the snow. Wait there. Ah, the snow.
Jakes, Rosalee, you want to live in your title. Rosalee, wife, title, Jakes. Not even know where to start.
Hello? Rose, what cloth you have? Let me know. Baby, fix my shoulder good. Baby, come and fix my shoulder properly. That's not how I should come on TikTok, you know. What cloth you have? What cloud to want from you? I don't understand. Can you keep on and say he's a cloud chaser? What is cloud chaser? What is that?
Chaser.
Tracer. What is a cloud tracer?
Cloud tracer. Only is a cloud tracer.
I don't know what that mean.
Come here.
Yeah, say.
Brown and cute, Rose.
Yeah, say. From you bring me down and me look a come back. Rosalee. Nobody cannot bring down Shay. Nobody. You realize no matter how no come and rub me, me still standing. You realize nobody cannot bring me down. Yeah. Nobody cannot bring me down. Because no matter how them could have cussed me, say whatever. Me no care she say me a leak. Me supposed to leak. Me not have AIDS, so me supposed to sweat. Remember me not no AIDS. Remember me not no syphilis. Remember me not none of them something there. Remember say me have to sweat. Because guess what, girl healthy. Yeah. Me don't know who name say no mums. Probably that person there look and come back. Me don't know that person there. And a fear time now. And a fear who see she? And a fear time now. Anyways, girl, when I your time, and a your time. Girl, what you say now? Can you say people that look close to fire? What you say? What are they? Why am I glad me not fat? Because I not stifle not fat. Me a stifle right as so. Right as so, me a stifle. Me a stifle, yes, so me not I could deal with weight. Well, and me look the farm. I come in. Why, Jesus. Jesus Christ. Tight pussy jakes, calm down yourself.
We hear you beg man,
we
you know.
something for you, act up yourself.
We hear you plea to man, you know. So you're a fucking idiot. Wait.
Remember saying now, Rosalee, what kind of bed you have again? One twin tower? I say name? One twin tower bed you have? Rosalee, remember say my bed is a California King, you know. You need to go and Google for that bed, you know. California King. It can hold 4 or 5 a whip on the bed. Me say, the way the woman back big.
Queen full of flavor, eh?
The way the woman back big. Me see the woman power and screw the card away that the woman blood clot back. Me see I go so. You see the same sink where they write here, so? And I think they should have. It a move. Me no see the woman I do not know me love. Rose. Rose, I want to ask you. Why? How you manage fat? Jesus Christ.
It a mad the girl then.
Hold on. This a mad the girl then. This mad the girl them. This mad the girl them. This a mad the girl them. No, sir.
You move too fast.
No, man.
Move so fast.
Girl. Me don't know where you get so much fat from. But boy. Me not tell a lie. Them fat make me feel tired. I feel tired though. Me not tell a lie. Them fat make me feel tired.
Me sure say a lot of
tired
things.
bad. Why? Show your bed. Me not on a bed. I've grown my sleep on.
Show your bed. How much shall the woman must go in one bed?
How much shall me go in a bed?
Sure. She'll go in on the bed and stand up when she ready. Will you ever in her business and will not see her bed?
How much shall me go in my bed? Me not just wake up all time.
How much you know over here describe the bed? See a sticker make the weight name there. So I want to still want to see bed. I want to regular want to describe the bed.
Wait.
Her bed underneath her blood clot.
Wait. Wait. Remember saying Rosalee, what kind of bed she have again? One twin tower? I say name? One twin tower bed you have? Rosalie, remember say my bed is a California King, you know. You need to go and Google for that bed, you know. California King. California King. It can hold 4 or 5 away on the bed.
Alright. She sleep in her couch.
California King.
Because that time she said check. Alright. You ever see Rosalie should go on couch? That is the first thing one of her asking us.
No, we're not go listen guys. Earwick, ear freshener. Who see that video there? Rosalie go on now. Who does that? Girl, remember so we see you want earwick. Ear freshener sprout you whole like bed so. The bed want sun. The bed want sun, no blood clot. I must disinfect. I don't know what woman use. We not overplay your position. We not go down that road about no bed, Rosalie. Let's not go down that road. That bed something there, oh, you overplay a position, girl. You don't have no bed. Your sheet want wash. Your sheet them bad color. Your sheet them
remember when you usually go fool the people them and say you go to gym because you want to look somebody when you go to gym to go wind up yourself. You remember say when you don't wind up yourself when you go to the people them gym when them there try with you.
Me don't know where you come and
when
talk
you go home, where you going now?
The same dirty bed.
With the sweaty mucky, I don't know what.
A beer lie tell. Your floor want tile out, you also want peak in the dirty. One Lysol should done on the bed? Exactly. Girl, you're dirty. We're not going to go no bed argument, Rosalie. Let's stick to what we are stick to now. We're not going to go down no bed clot germs bucket. My family, them a good family. I be a bright people, be a nice people, and me are the only blood clot drunk crook, and me alone are the rebel. Everybody else calm and cool and selective. Speaky, spokey and uptownish no blood clot, and me alone are rebel. Me a dog. Them war me with war. Rosalie, me hear make one talk last night. Me hear you say something a while ago. You say, if me did at Jamaica, me hear you tell Miss Blinger say, if me did at Jamaica, you would have beat up me blood clot. Me I go show you say a whole heap of people from a community over here. The people them cause people text me from a community. The people them will come from blood clot out of East Kingston. Who don't know if Rosalie would have been me if she catch me? Who don't know Rosalie would have been me? Rosalie, me a drunk crow. Rosalie, you see how me big? I would have beat down your blood clot to frazzle. Rosalie, you don't know me. Me tell you, say, if you want to ask about me, go from top of Mountain View up a top range up there, so, and Nannyville and go straight back down to Dunkirk. You don't know me. Me and you say you would have beat me. You crazy girl? Rosalie never, no girl, never, no boy, no girl, no pussy test. Nobody. You could have bust the biggest gun. I could have done say your father. Me not give a fuck. No boy. No girl. You only attack. I don't know. Remember the last time I saw one video with you when one girl approached you upon me. And the girl, you embarrass me.
Embarrass you want embarrass me.
Girl, you embarrass you want embarrass me. Remember that you tell Toffino girl. So who you come and talk about?
Baby. You can't, you're not, bad me up.
Wait. Come on, bad up your blood clot.
Bad me up then, bad me up.
No, me a walk. Are you for bad me up? Me a walk. Ready.
Alright, see me now. See me now, what you say now? You're on social media, what you say now?
Girl, I embarrass you, why embarrass me?
No, but you talk about a lot of things, and I talk about this and that and one heap of things you talk. So social media, see me now in a real life.
Me?
You see man and you.
Me?
You.
Girl, I embarrass you, why embarrass me?
What? You're dear media. You're circling upon me.
Listen to me now. Tomorrow, yeah, to blood clot, yeah. Move your your blood clot, your big back, the up have to go down with a bomb.
And we didn't know how we are going to bring it down with you.
The up have to go down with a blood clot bomb. Most of the people in the US so good, girl. The up have to go down with a bomb. Yay! Yay to blood clot.
And she said, woman,
let me see all the kinds go for you. Me could see what you go do Monday.
She said, woman, hold me. All she have to do is
me could blood clot see.
Suck her pussy down to the size of she want.
Me could see what you go blood clot do. Most of the gift of them in the US, girl, where you keep on at them, me say in the US only. You know hear what me I say? The gift of them in the US. You know hear?
Right, Robin, that me know.
It come like you're deaf. You never hear? You better start pick up your peanut them and walk no blood clot. Send it Karen. You better start pick up your peanut them and walk. Start sell your peanut from now. Me nah no bed. Me nah show no blood clot bed. Me nah show no bed. Me nah no bed. Me nah no blood clot bed. So me nah show no bed. So, when you show me your bed, me show mine's.
But the woman says she don't have no bed, I want to still talk about bed.
Show me your bed, your twin tower bed. I'ma show you my California king. Show me your bed, I'ma show you mine. Fuck up.
Stop
me don't know. Me don't know where you get that shape there. You are alone shape, so fuck up. You shape like an improper fraction.
God never make her so. Tell life and God here.
You shape like an improper fraction of blood clot. You shape fuck up.
But them say she a fuck
you ever hear little boy will say,
I
feel fuck up. I feel fuck up. You shape fuck up.
You know what kill me, baby? Oh, she a ball. She and her mother ball. Una ball and I beg and I plead. And look how him have to come down like a little boy to moon. Oh no, sister, that idiot.
Me don't know she keep on and talk about bed. The bed steal. Show me receipt for your bed where you have. Your bed catch up on 4 black. Every day you want come tell me. Say me not like Kiki. Me a dead under them fat ya. But me a go and talk. Every day you come talk about bed. Who not on a bed? Who sleep on them couch? You know in no category for come argue with girl about no bed. No couch. Cause we never see no one couch yet. We never see a living room yet.
You should forget living room.
We never see a bathroom yet. We never see a kitchen yet. So we are now go down that road there because we never see nothing where you call a house yet.
Never.
We never see a cook yet. We never see a stove yet. We never see microwave, nothing, not even bathroom. We see where you're bathing now. We never see them something there yet. TikTok see me go in my bathroom, go be them see me go in my little kitchen, them see me in my living room and my dirty couch, them see me in my bed sleep, where them not see me, them see me on my balcony, where them not see me. Them see me all blood clot bout.
Everywhere.
Them see me everywhere. The only thing them no blood clot see me up on my ground and lay down.
One know them one
and we see you sit down, one spot stay so. And you go so, you just sit down so we never see outside of your house yet. Because me here say now, and people come, them tell me say be your old things in your yard. Your yard come like a river town, you know. Be your old stove, all this, all every blood clot thing. You come and talk about money on TikTok, you have to cash out $1,000 and rare $1,000 US, and you don't have a bed, you don't have a stove, you have to cook on cold stove out the door. I'll do a cold stove, a good cooking, but in a modern days now, we are talking. We're not talking about for our grandmother them days. Modern days. You make so much money as what you say, because I tell you what you tell me, you know. You see you make all the money on TikTok, me make you make the most money. Congratulations. Me you tell me thanks, you're welcome.
But yet still, you know nobody.
Wait no, first you say me and nobody. I mean a cloud tracer. So all Shay make you make the most money on TikTok. That means say me a smarty then, man. That mean me a smarty. Because why the people them have to wait upon me and you have problem to put your number 1 or put your number 2? What the fuck?
And because the people them stop rank make you reach this so. the people them with your bad mind, and because your bad mind there, I because people they top rank and gone elsewhere, make you reach this so.
So me you say this, you said that, you said me make it, and tell Shay me say thanks. Tell Shay say me say thanks. Shay make you make the most money.
Right,
that's nice.
One celebrity Shay.
Wait, no, I'm happy for you that you make the most money. I'm glad you tell me thanks. You're welcome, bitch. You're welcome, Sour Power. You're welcome. You're welcome. Listen now, you see that money when you make off from me, put it to use, okay? Put it to use, because TikTok shutting down tomorrow, bright and early. Put it to blood clot use, Sour Power. Put it to use. Put it to use. You make so much money for sure you mean to all your blood clot self.